Hey y'all, welcome back to Brown and Confident. My name is Rachel and I am so happy that you clicked on this video. Today we are doing navigating months 7 through 12, okay? I am currently 1 year locked. And if you can't tell, I'm so excited. I love my hair. I have loved the journey and I can't wait to tell you about these last couple of months. If you're new here, I do lifestyle content, hair content, fashion. So if you like any of that, go ahead and consider subscribing to your girl. Hopefully by the time this video is posted, we will be at 1K. If not, y'all, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Help your girl out. So throughout these months, this is your journey of your locks maturing, settling all the way in. During this time, you'll see so many changes in your hair. You'll see that your hair is calling for things such as water, a little oil on the scalp whenever I'm really itchy, and also making sure I take some Advil or a leave or something before I go get a retie because it hurts, okay? And it doesn't hurt in every spot. It only hurts in some spots. I would say my crown and towards the front of my hair, it's very tender when I get a retie. So if you are looking into Sisterlocks or if you have Sisterlocks, comment down below, and let me know. Are you afraid of the reties or you like the reties if you have Sisterlocks, okay? Starting in with the 7th month. So by the 7th month, your Sisterlocks have went through a settling phase and the locking phase, and this is where you'll see less unraveling, okay? Depending on your hair, still braiding and banding when you're washing. At 7 months, my loctician did braid and band my hair. So less unraveling, less slippage, and you should start to see your locks strengthening up, getting more uniform, maybe more frizzy if your hair is like mine, and also dropping a bit. You'll start to see the length a lot more. So around this time, I was looking for a change. I was like, throw some jewelry in my hair, throw some beads in my hair. And that's when I started lock jewelry, y'all. It kind of changed the game for me. It gave fashionable style. It caught everybody's eyes. So I would definitely recommend lock jewelry if you feel like you need a boost of confidence to your hair. That'll do it. So by month 8, you should have developed a routine. How often you need your locks retied, how often you need your hair washed, and any maintenance you need in between. So by this time, I had knew don't go beyond 7 weeks for your retie. And I had noticed that go ahead and wash your hair maybe at 4 to 5 weeks. But I did feel the need to wash my hair a lot more than normal. You could tell from the pictures that my hair was starting to fill in. I was able to see the length in the back. By month 9, things had changed. It definitely filled in more, which I was shocked about on the crown area and on the sides where I felt like it was see-through. It filled in so much more. Embrace the length. You'll want to start experimenting with different styles, especially if your hair starts filling in like mine. I got into clips heavily. I went on Amazon, searched for clips, got this nude color that I could wear with anything, and they were cheap. It was like $10 for a box, so I went into clips. And also hair ties, throwing my hair up in a ponytail, leaving a few out. Snap. I loved it. I don't know, I still love it to this day. I'm not really a styles girl, but when it comes to the clips and when it comes to a ponytail or even a bun now, you'll embrace the versatility that you'll have and you'll love your hair. It's flourishing, right? You will love this stage. You're forgetting about the plug chicken. You're forgetting about the tester locks. You're forgetting about all the consults. You're forgetting about everything that you went through and everything that you heard. And you're embracing your hair for what it is. By the 10th month, this is where you have to overcome some challenges. A lot of people, like myself, experience a lot of dryness, a lot of frizziness, marrying each other a lot. It feels like it's lacking moisture. it feels like you did a wash and go and your hair is just filled with gel. If you were natural, it's crunchy, right? You're trying to break the cast on that wash and go. I started putting a little bit of water on my hair. I started dragging water through. When I'm leaving the house, I'll spray it with my Uncle Funky Starter Deep Funk Spray. And I was like not drenching my hair with water. I was washing my hands, and then the leftover, I would put it on my hair. That helped because I really didn't care about the dryness when my hair was in a bonnet, or it's just when I'm going out. When I'm going out, I want some type of uniform put together look. Make sure that you are protecting your locks. I felt like at this stage, lint was coming on strong. By this stage, I was getting rid of everything that had lint on it, those furry jackets, that stuff that could possibly get in your hair. I was getting rid of it. I didn't want it in my house, and I always protected my hair at night. And even when I was laying on the couch or sitting on the couch, throw on a bonnet. Who we looking cute for? Because you rubbing against your pillows and stuff like, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that.
We're not doing that.
I have silk pillowcases. You can get those off of Amazon. 2 for like $10. Like, make sure you have silk pillowcases if you're not gonna wear a bonnet, but I say silk pillowcases and a bonnet, okay? Oh, I'm a little different. That length, give it up for the length. Give it up, because my hair was really doing the dang thing, okay? As you enter the 11th month, it's a good time to reflect on the journey so far. I started looking for damaged locks or weakening locks or holes in anything. Your ends are, I decided that I wanted to keep my ends curly. So that means for me, maybe combing out some of the budding. Oh, I forgot to talk about that. I feel like maybe around my 7th or 8th month, I started budding, but I didn't want that. So my maintenance for me, finding the buds, combing them out, maybe ripping them off. Talk to your loctician about that. Mine said it was okay. We did it together. It was a unit thing. And we decided that I wanted to keep some of my curls. Now, some of my locks do have budding on them, and I don't care. I leave them. Sometimes I could just pull on the end of my hair and it's just gonna come right on off. No, I do not put conditioner in my hair on my ends to keep them curly. This is just how they were. If you see my pictures before I got locked, my hair was naturally curly. It is exactly how I grew it. So no conditioner, and I do not take any hair pills. There may be some things that do contribute to my growth, and stay tuned if you want to hear all about that, okay? That's going to be in the upcoming video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything and turn on your notifications, all right? There may be some things that you have to do for your overall hair type. Make sure you get with your loctician, and make sure you bring up those questions to your loctician, because it just doesn't hurt to ask. She in your crown, and you need to be able to trust her. Start thinking about colors. Start thinking about if you want to combine your locks, how the look of them are going, if you like them. This is the time to do it. You have made it 1 year, sis. We did it, okay? We did it. We grew this. We let our hair grow and flourish and do the things that it wanted to do. Congratulations, you made it 12 months. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy that you found freedom. I'm so happy that you found something that caters to your lifestyle. Locking up your hair, giving somebody full control, that was a big step. So congratulations to you. It's a milestone, right? So we reached the Sister Lock journey of making it 1 year. We getting it. I celebrated with a photo shoot. If you have not been on my Instagram, my website, looking at my YouTube shorts, there's a problem there. So go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias, even Pinterest, y'all. I'm popping on Pinterest. I'm here for you guys. Pop down below and tell me what you want to see. So you're looking at pictures of my photo shoot because your girl had to celebrate. We had to show out because every day is a milestone, guys, and every day should be celebrated. This is the 12th month, and my loctician didn't braid in band when she washed my hair. Trying more styles. You're feeling more confident with your hair. People can't walk past you without looking at you. It's known. We in the building, baby. Celebrate your personal growth and embrace your natural beauty, and look forward to continuing your wonderful journey with your locks. Love on yourself and others, and everything is gonna be okay. Thank you for all of you who tuned in today. Thank you for always supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video if God willing. You guys have a wonderful day and week.